beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about one girl will be say this girl anytime as in na mature girl will be say she gets uku well, you know. I don't know why she not gonna see boy go date. We can be saying a small boy can't date her high. I know say before with the year say man will go jogo those small girl. This one now, day go jogo do small boy, my darling people. This one shocktalize me oh when me I see the video. This one it shocktalize me. When me I see him the thing shocktalize me. This girl, the anytime when the woman will born the boy, so when she go the jogo do. Anytime when the woman they no come out for house when she no dey house, this girl will go the jogodo the small boy of 15 years. You go the jogodo am. And small boy now we not know wetin the boy just see agree now the thing they enjoy the boy they enjoy the thing. So every time now this girl they go they do this thing with this small boy every time. If when I say the girl who cool, I go put a picture more and see am. This girl shocktalize me because boys full everywhere. Why it can't be saying that this small boy now I can't dey your eye, my darling people. When me I see him, I shocktalize oh. I say nothing when Musa don't go see for gate oh, my darling people. Musa does see so tell Musa even come tire for the matter. So my darling people, now in this girl now come they go this guy house every time they go they jogodo the guy. The jogodo the guy, the small boy not come they happy. Say, oh, me vadze, oh, that don't say John Thomas and Bekus the streets where now. Oh, me vade, this boy come they happy, come they jogodo this woman. One day, oh, now your mama can't go out. I say they come back. Now you can't catch them, oh, red down there, though. Say this woman, the jogodo, a picky finish, oh. Now you come call people say, who the Agba local government will hear this one? Wait till you see for my pikin, but this small boy, we never know anything. My darling people. Now people come oh, they come they ask the girl. Wait till you see for this small boy body. Oh, he say like him. How you go like small boy when never mature? How you go like him? And they come oh the woman. Because they go arrest her because na child abuse. So my darling people, the thing can't shocktalize me. Say, where did this girl they look for? Where you can't be say, you not gonna see young guy go date again. Be a matured guy. You can't say a young boy, small boy. Now you want to go carry. My darling people, this one shocked me. Oh, it shocktalized me 10 times. It shocktalized me because I never see where a matured woman like that go say now just small boy now you want to go the jogodo with. Now there I can't say the life in no balance. So I say if I don't do this video, it go be like say they do pasha because boys will come say so now if na boy if na man go jogodo small girl now we go sabi talk am. This one a woman go jogodo small boy. This one shocktalize me oh my darling people. It shocktalize me 10 times. Since they happen for this world though. Things they read the apple really because what you can't make small boy now say now a day you want come the jogodo with and small boy now don't see Bekus wey big person if they happy so who to blame for this one my darling people now not be this girl will go blame because I don't know what this girl they look for. We go make and say na small boy you want come the jogodo with me. I don't really know what the girl they look for. I don't know because the woman now say the woman now don't call police. They don't arrest the girl now. So what you una think una where they wash me? The woman take the right decision because if now you where they wash me now like me I not go agree. I not go dey happy. Say a matured woman want come the jogodo my son. So people they say the woman for not arrest the girl. I can't say why you not go arrest her? How can a girl, a matured girl like that, say a small boy one can go the jogodo with? E get how e be now. E get as e be. So, my darling people, this one, it shocked me because we dey hear men, wey be say man no go jogodo small girl. Then they say na child abuse. Talk less of say a matured girl like that. You no gonna see a matured guy go follow again. You can say na boy wey be say na small boy of 15 years old, my darling people. Now in this girl go the jogodo with now I say only me one no go hear this one though. Only me one no go hear this one. Now I say my people must come hear this one. Really, joke and pass, say maybe because the way I tell they talk what did this girl do? He not do away. For me, I don't know how una reason and I will leave on a comment, but for me, this girl not do away at all. She not do away. What will make you just reason and say, nah, a small boy that you want to go the jogodo with? Anytime we do so much say you just come up for house, this woman go just come. Begin on the jogodo, so if we call the boy come house, the jogodo am. The jogodo am, my darling people. Not when Musa Lord go see for gate, really. Some people, they are terrible. Some people, they funny when we're really, they very, very funny. As boys, your baby guys full outside rich. You without your uku, as your that's your uku just big rich. You not gonna see mature person go follow again. You not gonna see big person go follow again. Now small boy, now you want to go they follow. My ogbonge people, this one shockalize me. This one shockalize me, like seriously. It shocked me. Say somebody just sit down, say na matured. Say na small boy one can go they follow. You wait up mature like that. If you not see IKB, very big. What you come make this girl not carry that IKB go give mature guy? You can say that small boy now you want to carry go the jogodo with. My country people, this one it shocked me. This one shocked me 10 times. So it shocked me well because as also me with the year. Why this one not gonna go do this kind of this mature woman like this? So my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about the video, Mona leave on comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where they come out for. Yeah, thank you for coming around again and God bless you.